So, ayan guys, yung hand luggage ng aking asawa. Ang aking hand luggage, yung aming check-in luggages, ayan, 3. May isang painting doon. And then, ito yung aking gamit na bibitbitin. So, yung laptop bag ko, at saka ito. Ayan, so, as of the moment naman, malinis naman yung bahay kasi nilinis naman namin siya 2 days bago kami aalis. So, malinis naman na yung bahay. And kita-kita tayo lahat sa Pilipinas! See you guys! Na kami guys! Dami. Check-in. Breakfast. Mocha. And tea.
Glad we ordered skinny fries.
The cabin. And may I remind you that smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes, is not permitted. I will shortly...
So, nandito na kami sa London Heathrow Airport. So, inihintay ko na lang yung aking asawa na bumalik dito dahil alam niyo naman, yun ay nagyoyosi. So, wait lang tayo 5 minutes. Taxi na kami.
Full dress.
Hello guys! Andito na kami ngayon sa hotel. Ayan. So, ito yung kanilang bathroom. Napakalinis. Tingnan nyo naman. Ayan. Diba? Ang linis niya guys. And then, ito yung kanilang mirror on the wall. Napakalaki, diba? Pati yung TV, napakalaki din. And then, ayan yung bed. Ayan. Di naman na kami nag-book guys ng sobrang mahal na. Kasi 1 night lang naman. And then, ayan yung view niya sa labas. Ayan. So, wala ka naman makikita dyan. And then, ayan, hinangko na yung mga gamit. Ito yung kanilang aparador talaga. Ayan, tapos meron silang bolt dito, safe, at saka ayan, yung kanilang fridge. Ayan, as usual, yung wine ng aking asawa. And then, yan, yung kettle, and then, some coffee. Ayan. So, sobrang pagod namin. Andito na lahat yung luggage namin sa loob. And then, yung naglilinis doon sa labas, nakita niya na may isa pang luggage na naiwan. At ito yung naiwan. Guys, teka lang. Hindi naman napopokus. So, yung gray yung naiwan. So, sabi ko, pagka gusto nyo gumanti sa asawa ninyo, pag magta-travel kayo, damihan nyo yung luggage na bibit-bitin. So, ayun lang guys. Dito na muna kami. Rest muna. Ito nga pala guys. Ayan yung lift. Hindi ko nakuhanan kanina ng video. And then, ayan yung aming room. So guys, check out na kami. Aray ko, sus ko. Just wait me. Check out na. Ito yung luggage, oh. Ayan. Marami namin bit-bit, guys.
Just ask the guy to order a taxi.
Sakto nga pala si Taylor Swift. Ayun, diba?
This way.
Thank you.
Welcome, water. Good morning. Second right, please. Thank you. Second right, please.
Please go to this. Welcome this flight to the good morning. So I'll be taking care of it today. In the meanwhile, you guys settle down. Can I get you something to drink? Fresh orange juice, signature lime and mint champagne.
Actually, I'm good for the meantime. Delayed ang flight. We're delayed, guys. Instead of 1:40 a.m., naging 3 a.m. yung flight. You can see you there. So, balik kami dito sa lounge. Hindi pa ako nakakapag-video dito sa lounge, pero itatry ko mamaya. Magla-lounge tour tayo dito sa may Hamad International Airport ng Qatar.